hardwood is still be the selection or the choice of consumers in the kitchen, I will definitely say that here in the Midwest, for sure, people love their wood here in the Midwest. So I'm asked all the time to install oak flooring and refinish in place of the oak flooring, right? So there is a thing that wood offers over other product. The warmth, the feeling is natural and all. But we still got to remember that using wood in the kitchen is, we do it, but you have to know that there is a maintenance. You have to know that you have to be careful because you're dealing with water, because you're dealing with oils and spices and all, you know, depending on what you use. I mean, again, when you fry things do fly and go on the floor. So you gotta wipe it right away. You gotta make sure that you always coat it. Grocery store even have those bonnet coats on top that kind of keeps it a little bit oily so that any particles that fly in, like, you know, oils or stuff, those don't penetrate right away, so you have time to clean it. You just got to maintain it. Wood flooring is beautiful. Yes, it feels so good on the feet, but it's not the best friend of the kitchens and the water. So maintain, do what you need to do. Ultimately, the best flooring you can use in the kitchen is tile. If you have to use or you want to use wood, it will be engineered hardwood will be better than the real one. But if you still like what you like, remember, maintain, maintain, maintain. That is how you're gonna prolong the life of your wood.